guys, it's your girl NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. Uh, oh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so we're back with another Halloween look. What's crazy is I'm filming this right now and I'm uploading it today. Your girl's working, okay? I'm gonna try to do a Lion King look, scar to be exact. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we're gonna try it. Okay? So if you want to see how this look turns out, make sure you stay tuned. Also, I would really appreciate it if you liked, comment, and subscribe. You know, we're doing this 7 days of Halloween. We have 6 days left of Halloween, so you got more to come. All right, guys, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Scar's scar. I feel like starting with that just so I can have clear. As you can see, I messed up. Then I decided to go in with my eyebrow pencil to outline it to get kind of a better judgment, and then I go back in with concealer and fill it in, you know, to make it really look like a scar. And then you want to go through your brow because the scar is kind of, you know, through the brow. So just through your brow. I'm going to take my micellar water just to clean up the scar with a Q-tip and to get it exactly how I wanted. If I would have had like a pencil or something, I probably could have done this scar without having to do all the cleanup. But yeah. So you want to just do your eyebrows as normal. Just don't go over the scar. I never know how to talk through eyebrow tutorials, so just watch. So my lids are primed. Of course, we're going to use the James Morphe palette, and we're going to start off with a burnt orange. I really don't feel like I need to talk through this. This is pretty self-explanatory, and I always show you basically me doing one eye, but y'all know I do both eyes at one time. So yeah, blending, layering, cut creasing. That's what we're doing. Start off orange, go brown, add black, blend. That is what this is. And we're going to cut it, the crease, and we're just going to make it beautiful. The littlest details make this look so perfect. So I go in with like an eyeliner brush and then I carve out the end. Then I go back in and cut the crease some more just to make it defined. I go back in with that little brush and I just keep going back and forth until I get the way I want to. Now I'm going to take my MAC gel liner and I'm just going to smudge it under my eye to give me that cat look, and then I'm going to do it tight line it. Then I go in with my NYX liquid liner, do the top of my lid, and then I clean up my face. Okay, so I don't want this look so cakey, but I put a little bit of foundation on, and I'm literally only putting this on my cheek. I'm not doing my upper lip, and I'm not doing my chin, because you don't want this to be cakey, and I will be putting a lighter concealer. Then I'm going to put foundation on my forehead, but I'm going to blend it out with a smaller brush so I don't mess up my scar, and I just go clean up the scar with the concealer brush with some foundation on it, just to clean her up. Now I'm going to contour my face. I really don't know how to explain this. I feel like it's better if you guys just watch it, so I'm going to shut up and let you watch how I contour my face to look like a lion. I did use multiple colors to contour to make it very standout-ish. And then I go back in with my normal Fawn concealer to clean it up to make it really more defined. I haven't cream contoured my nose in a while, but I'm cream contouring my nose. And then I'm going to use my NARS concealer, as you can see, as the normal highlight. It's a little lighter, so that's why I used it. I just feel like it works really good with this particular look, honestly, because it just stands out. Then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Age Wine Concealer. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Age Wine Concealer around my mouth. As you can see in my last video, I used this because it was lighter. So I'm going to use this to make around my mouth lighter, like a lion. And then I'm going to go back in with my contour brush just to fade out those edges and clean it up. Now we're going to set the contour with Anastasia's contour kit. And then I'm going to, I guess, set with Airspun. I didn't really bake. I wiped it right off, honestly. So yeah, we're just going to use Airspun to set everything and wipe her immediately off. She doesn't need to stay. I'm going to go in with that white from the James Morphe to set around my mouth just to make it lighter and give me that cast. And then we're going to clean up those contour edges. I'm going back in to make my nose a little more defined with the Anastasia powder. And we're just going to contour our nose. Now I'm drawing my black nose. This is with the NYX liner. Then to make it a little more defined, I go back in with that MAC liquid concealer, but you guys can watch it. I don't really know how to explain it, so just watch. Now it's time to add the little details. I go in with white liner under my eye just to make my eyes pop a little more and give me that animalistic look, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to basically just add some shadows under that just to add a little more depth to the eye look. Okay, so I had to go off camera and have my mom do this under part because it was starting to irritate the hell out of me that I could not get it the way I wanted it. So she did the outline for me, and now I'm gonna go in with my concealer and basically finish. If only y'all knew how frustrating getting this under part was, but just going with concealer to define it, and then I'm setting this top part. And I'm going to set the bottom scar too, just with some Airspun powder so that it doesn't move or shift, you know. Go ahead and set your brows. Make sure they're all nice and purtiful. Okay. Then, you know, your girl likes highlights. So I had to add some highlight to this look because I feel like if I was Scar, I would want some highlight. Okay. And then I'm going to take my cork lip liner, and then I'm going to take Neat Freak from Shayla times ColourPop for my bottom lip. Going with some mascara. And then I'm going to use Baddie B's Baddie Lashes as my falsies. As Auntie Jackie would say, no look is complete without an inner corner highlight. And then I just defined my nose highlight and everywhere else. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Boom, boom. This is an appearance from my mother's wig.
I just felt like it went perfect for my line. Look, if you guys like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much for always supporting me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ta-ta.